Will artificial intelligence be able to create jewelry? Watch the video to find out. To create our wedding ring, we used the capabilities of Midjourney artificial intelligence. We started by launching a chatbot and get ourselves the task of designing a simple white gold engagement ring with a diamond in the center. We used 3D Max for our 3D modeling, but you can use whatever program works best for you. We make sure to follow all the technological dimensions required for jewelry production, and after taking a close look at the proportions, we decided a 5mm diamond would fit perfectly. To bring our 3D model to life, we used a 3D printer FlashForge WaxJet 410 that prints with wax, the perfect material for casting. It took about 2 hours to print just one ring, but with a printer like this, we could actually print over 100 rings at once. But that's a story for another time. Once the printing was complete, we removed the model from the printing platform and carefully lowered it into a bath of alcohol to dissolve the supporting material. And with that, our model was ready for the next stage, casting. In my previous videos, I often demonstrate the casting process to create jewelry. The steps are simple. Solder the printed ring to the wax tree. Next, fill it with gypsum and dry it in a muffle furnace. Add the metal to the casting machine and press the start button. After removing the plaster mold from the casting machine and immerse it in water. And now our ring is ready in metal. Now, you can observe the ring in the hands of the master. I believe that watching the master at work without any commentary while immersing yourself in the sounds of the processing can be a great experience. However, if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to write in the comments, and I will respond as soon as possible. And here we have it, our finished ring. In my opinion, it turned out to be elegant and refined. What do you think? Despite the fact that the ring was developed by artificial intelligence and printed using a 3D printer, human skills are still required for the final touches, such as drawing the ring in 3D, processing and attaching stones. This is evidence of the fact that no matter how advanced technology has become, human experience is still crucial. If you liked this video, please share it on social networks and subscribe. Are you ready to wear jewelry invented by artificial intelligence?